I'm a son of third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my flower, chungy-laying 5 miles an hour on my international harvester.
3 miles of cars laying on the horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade of late to work road ranger, shutting up, sing words, flipping made a bird.
Well, maybe on a state paved road, but a black dog runs through my payload. Excuse me for trying to do my job, but she ain't been no bumper crowd. If you don't like the way I'm driving, get back on the interstate. Otherwise sit tight and be nice, and quit hogging at me that way. Cause I'm a son of third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in a county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the remix. Hey, hey, that's what I make. I make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my blower, chuggy-laying 5 miles an hour on my international harvester.
But I know you got your own deadlines, but guessing me won't save it on time, host.